We're running na, no?
Ganon?
Manta na tayo, no, sir?
Aba, Amanda.
Oo, wala talagang tunog.
Teka.
Drive? Yeah.
Iinit ang aircon niya, sir.
Oo nga eh.
Tell me, check the temp.
AC po.
Yeah, ayan. Nag-iiba tayo naka-AC eh. Yun.
Sir, alam niyo ba yung dadaanan?
Paano ba to? Dito niya?
Just press D, sir. Yeah.
Ganun na yun?
Yes, sir.
Nakadin.
Nakadi na tayo, sir.
Handbrake?
Nakadi na tayo, sir, oh.
Handbrake?
Teka.
Ayun po, sir.
Foot brake, sir. Foot brake tayo, sir.
Ito?
Yes, sir. Okay. Here we go.
Grabe, parang nakapatay yung engine ah.
Yes, sir.
Ang galing.
Yeah. Sir, mawala ko to. Turn right, sir.
Ang ganda nito.
Tahimik na, sir. Okay, sir. Kanan na po tayo, sir.
Parang weird. Parang walang makina.
Yeah. For now, kasi, tumatakbo kasi ngayon yung electronics eh.
Oo.
Now, pag nag-ano yan, sir, tama ba ako? 40 or 60, no? Above?
60 po.
Above 60, that's the time it switches to the engine.
Galing, no?
Now,
Tapos
when you stop,
aircon
pag
na
nag-full stop kayo, mamaya narinig yung makina, no? Nag-full stop ka, yung engine mamamatay. Kasi it saves electricity talaga. Saves energy. You just have to wait now.
Pero ito yata medyo nag-charge siya. So, nag-indicator ba? Charging.
Mamaya.
Pagka yung nawalan na siguro ng battery, ito 2 bars na yun eh. Battery. Pero yung kanina, grabe yun.
Excuse me.
Saan tayo?
Sir, turn right tayo, sir, no?
Apa.
Kanan tayo, sir, dito. Turn right. It will go up. Malubong to. Malubong yung taas. Then we make a U-turn, sir. The U-turn tayo, sir.
Parang merong may bar doon sa gitna ng likod, yung rear windshield.
May what, sir?
May parang naka-cross
Oo.
sa likod.
Teka.
Glass.
I
don't know.
May nasa likod. Oh, yeah. Yan talaga, sir. ASL, sir, means auto-sound leveling. If you go for a high speed, nag-a-adjust mo yung volume ng radio. Yes, sir. You won't hear anything. Pag nag-stop ka na, hihina yung radio.
Ang galing.
Yes, sir. It's called ASL. Now here, U-turn mo tayo, sir. Kaliwa tayo, sir.
Oo nga, sasama.
Get it only from
Temperature you can control.
No advance monthly service fee payment for plan $499. Call
Sure,
730-1000 or visit any Globe store. TI gives you its best auto loan rates ever for 2010 as it
Yes, sir.
Kasama yun, Jess? Sinabi ng press ko dito.
Yeah.
Right, Jess.
Oh,
I
hey,
will
it's
the indicator, minimum consumption, past record.
Yes, sir.
TI NCR permit number 5214.
Galing.
2010.
Hi, sir. May I take your order?
Have a cheeseburger without the lettuce and tomatoes and one iced tea with no ice.
Why just talk when you can talk-tastic? With Listerine, you can have an extraordinary clean mouth and be
Let's go straight, sir.
mouth-vacular.
Makapagal tayo, sir.
May I take your order, sir?
Yeah, I have a BLTC without the L in the T, plus iced tea without ice. Can you do that for me? Yeah. Get extraordinary clean with Listerine. See how extraordinary your mouth can be. Visit www.mouthacular.com.ph. The Cultural Center of the Philippines and Ballet Philippines present September Gala.
Excuse me.
Commencement production where one goes through a hero's journey of mutual
Ano pala to? Four-wheel drive?
adventure and
All-wheel drive or
No,
ano?
no, sir. Hindi po.
Semi-finalist and
Ayun o, sinacharge.
Charge na po siya, sir.
Yung arrow
Yes, sir.
indicator.
Apa.
with a special participation of the MSO at the CCP Tanghalan
Ay,
Tagalog
MSO.
Abelardo on September 3, 4, and 5. For tickets, call 551-1003 with GME 7, QTV 11, Smart Infinity, American Express, The Philippine Star, Business World, MSO, RJTV, Philippine Airlines, DPC, Mercedes-Benz, the Polish Embassy, OAAP, Asia Sign, and this station.
Kel, yes. Alam mo ba kung sino yung guest natin this Sunday on Jam Sessions with Jukes and Kel? No. Ibigyan natin ng clue. Game. Alright. Guys, parang may idea na kung sino ang guest natin. Pwede na magpulaan? Tara. Pwede na muna. People pa ako eh. Pwede tapusin mo na yan. Okay, pwede na hulaan. Sige, pwede na. Ang guest natin this week sa Jam Sessions with Jukes and Kel ay walang iba kundi ang Trophy! Ano kaya magandang itanong sa kanila?
Jukes and Kel, tuwing linggo, alas 7 ng gabi, Jam Sessions. Songs rewritten just the way you like it. Different Sunday. There's a light.
Okay, kumuha to, sir. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Yeah.
Never shone on me.
Excuse me.
Okay na siguro ako? U-turn na tayo?
Okay ka na, sir?
Oh, okay na ako.
Alright.
There's a way.
Eto, test drive rin.
Everybody say do each and every little thing. What does
Ang bilis ah, 4 bars na siya oh. Na-charge na.
Self-recharging, sir. Eh.
Oo.
You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like.
Sige, sir.
Uy, may target shooting range dito.
You're somebody.
Yung pag yan, engine na yan, sir.
Oo nga eh.
Kung bababa, back to electronics. Yung flyer kayo, sir, nung Prius, sir, wala pa.
Wala pa yung ano lang, price list ng
I'll
Toyota.
show you the, ano. May pattern siya, sir, eh.
Oo.
show it to you later.
Galing ang 5 bars na siya.
Yeah.
So
Galing.
I was thinking, yung kunyari, di ba kanina nag-start tayo, 2 bars. While parked in the garage, i-charge na sa bahay. Hindi na pala kailangan kasi
Wala.
charges,
Self-charging na, sir.
Oo.
Yes, sir.
Charges very fast.
Yes, sir.
Dito, guys.
Yes, sir. Pagpasok natin, sir. Dyan tayo. Sunod lang kayo, sir, sa Chevy. After this, sir, we just fill up a survey form, sir.
Okay.
For use.
Ikaw wala, Jelso. Wala ka naririnig, no?
Oo.
Ang galing.
Very quiet, actually.
The engine, you can't hear the engine because there's no engine running right now.
Yeah.
It's just the electric motor.
Galing, ano. Sir, kailan papasok, sir?
Sige.
Okay lang. Para lang.
Oh, medyo gipit eh.
Kaya ba, sir? Kaya ba?
Pwede rin.
R lang, sir. Nakita niyo naman, sir, mangga R. Yun. Okay.
Wala siyang mechanical, gears doon sa transmission.
You're okay sa right, sir. Pakalabas pa kayo. Ako, masikip dyan, sir, para sa inyo.
Tignan natin.
Sige, sir. Sige, nasumakay ng Prius. Ngayon lang ako nakasakay din ng Prius.
Galing, no?
Nice yung trabaho. Tapos, yan. Tapos, parking brake, sir. Tapos, park nyo lang, sir. Handbrake, sir. Tapos ito. Naka-park ka na, sir.
Galing.
Yeah.
Puro electronics yan. Tapos,
Ayan, sir.
paano yung kila?
Ito, sir. Yung small key, sir. Nasa kanya.